ち引っ張っていいですよ。OK、そうそう。じゃあまずチェックライト。これやった方がいいですかね。いや、いいですよ。はい。エアヒートオン。ドロップチェック。だったですね。はい。エンジンミットリッチ。あと、スロットルに。はい。マグチェック。Both engine.
Cessna 61 Golf, runway 27, clear touch and go.
Check. Alternator test left. Right. Okay. Voltage. Engine all green check. Throttle idle. Down. Bearing. Transponder flap up.
Riverside ground, career track 347 at the restaurant, taxi 27 with November.
Career track 347, Riverside ground, runway 27, run up, taxi via Hotel Alpha.
Hotel Alpha 27, career track 347.
Look here, acceptable post on. Takeoff reading. Loss. If something happened below 65 or 71, I will enter the throttle and abort the takeoff. If engine fails after liftoff and the landing gear is down, I will close both throttle and land straight ahead. Engine fails after liftoff and the landing gear is retracted, I will follow the airplane flight manual procedures to control, configure, climb checklist. Okay. Parking brake off. Riverside ground, Duchess 6716 Zulu, run up complete.
Duchess 16 Zulu, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 27, taxi via Alpha, 16 Zulu.
Riverside ground, career track 346. You guys do flight following on the ground here?
Career track 346, affirmative, what are you looking for?
I'd like to pick up flight following to Camarillo, Charlie Mike Alpha, 6500, ward type 172, slant golf, disable.
Riverside ground, Joust 4 at the terminal, ready to taxi with November.
Joust 74, Riverside ground, runway 27, run up, taxi via Golf Alpha.
You can run by Hotel or Golf Alpha, Joust 44.
Joust 44, runway 27, run up, taxi via Golf Alpha, sorry.
Joust 44.
Take off, transponder, flap up, ありますか。
はい。
リバーサイドタワー、ダッチェス6716 through holding short runway 27 left cross traffic.
Delta 67162, Riverside Tower, follow the Cessna just departed. They're also on the left pattern, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 cleared for takeoff 160.
Career track 346, maintain at or below 2,500. SoCal departure frequency is 135.4. Squawk 4637.
はい、試験中キャサに行ってくるらしいですね。エンジン切ってくれる方。
Check 347, read back correct.
エンジン切るから切ったらボロテイクオフしてねみたいに言われるらしいです。ことで右を切ります。はい。エンジンチェックチェック。
エンジンチェック。
はい。OK。
61 Golf, runway 27, clear, touch and go.
Runway 27, clear, touch and go, 61 Golf.
トラフィックがクリアです。はい。まあまあでけえ爆発しましたね。バカーン。じゃあ、ショートからいきましょうか。はい。
Judges 160, follow Cessna left base, report inside.
Traffic inside, runway 160.
Judges 160, follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go.
Follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go, 160. 少しだけ伸ばします。はい、ダウンウィンド。いや、もう大丈夫か。あ、ちょっと怖いな。ちょうど今左にいるんですけど、見えますかね。
見えました。
はい。多分 OK です。はい。
Shy 347, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
もうペース曲がっていいですか。
いいですよ。はい。
Riverside Tower, clear track 347, holding short, Charlie at 27, straight out departure.
Clear track 347, Riverside Tower, hold short runway 27, lane traffic.
Holding short 27, 347.
Riverside Tower, Bonanza 1535 Whiskey, coming up to downtown Riverside, 4000, inbound for landing with November.
Sharkoff, use caution for a Mylar balloon just north of the runway, abeam the runway 27 touchdown markers. It's currently eastbound and appears at 200 feet AGL, and it's getting lower. Bonanza 1535 Whiskey, Riverside Tower, right base runway 27, report 3 miles out.
Base runway 27, 35 Whiskey.
ブレーキブレーキブレーキブレーキ。じゃあ行きましょう。
Clear track 346, straight out runway 27, clear for takeoff.
347, clear for takeoff 27.
ファイナル。まあでもそこのパワーの絞り方うまくできたんで、あとはちょっと高いと思ったら、あえてエイミングポイントに向かい方を少しちょっとスティープにしてみるとか。で、それで右手がついてくれば、スティープにする分速度も上がりやすいんで。ちょっと伸ばして気味で。
はい。
そこはなんかこう、型にはまるっていうかは、臨機応変にっていう感じですね。もし余裕があればですけど。
はい。
Bonanza 35 Whiskey, you can proceed direct to the numbers if you'd like. Disregard report, runway 27, clear for takeoff. Correction, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35 Whiskey.
So 61 Golf, follow Bonanza 3 mile final, report in sight.
Looking for traffic, 61 Golf.
Clear track 347, roger, squawk 4775 now.
4775, clear track 347.
Dutch 16 Zulu, follow a Cessna, company Cessna, south of the tower, report in sight.
Full traffic, negative contact 16.
Golf has traffic in sight.
The 61 Golf, follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go.
Following that traffic, 27, clear, touch and go, 61 Golf.
Clear track 347, contact SoCal departure.
Contacting SoCal, have a good one, 347.
You too. Chaos 44, runway 27, taxi Alpha.
Short Riverside Tower, Duchess 16 Zulu, the company in the base in sight.
Dutchess 16 Zulu, follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go.
Follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go, 16 Zulu.
Riverside Tower, Chalice 4, short of runway 27, requesting practice ODT.
Yes, 44, Riverside Tower, hold short runway 27.
OK じゃないですか。
Short 27, Charles 44.
And 35 Whiskey, stay parking.
Kilo Hangar 35 Whiskey.
35 Whiskey, turn left at Gulf and taxi via Gulf.
Golf to the ramp, 35 Whiskey.
Gear down, speed green check.
check.
でちょい高いと思ったらエイミングポイントの向かい方をちょっと激しくする感じ。そうそうそう。ラップアップ、ブレーキブレーキブレーキ。よいしょ。
Watch the video up.
November 4 Charlie Bravo, runway 27 clear for takeoff, back to SODP approved.
27 clear takeoff, Charles 44.
Dutch 16 Zulu, make right close traffic.
Make a right cross traffic, 160.
The 61 Golf, runway 27 clear, touch and go.
左切ります。
Flight 27, clear touch and go, 61 Golf.
All forward.
Riverside Tower, Skyhawk 737, Papa Mike, 6 nautical miles to Riverside, southeast bound at 2000, requesting a touch and go.
737 Papa Mike, Riverside Tower, right traffic, runway 27, stay intentions after the touch and go.
Right traffic for runway 27, would like to go back to Chino after that.
Step up Mike, roger. Tower 7 Papa Mike, follow away Duchess, turning right crosswind, report inside.
Looking for the traffic, 7 Papa Mike.
Duchess 16 Zulu, follow company Cessna, approaching left base in the opposite downwind, report them inside before turning base.
Roger, I will go 160.
Traffic inside, 7 Papa Mike.
7 Papa Mike, roger, squawk 1200, follow that traffic, runway 27, clear touch and go, and your departure to Chino on the go is approved.
見てます。
Squawk 1200, runway 27, clear for the option, and departure to Chino is approved, 7 Papa Mike.
Tower 7 Papa Mike, you were cleared touch and go, did you want the option?
Negative, clear touch and go for runway 27, 7 Papa Mike.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 7320 Juliet on the ILS liner.
7320 Juliet, Riverside Tower, report a 3 mile file.
Report 3 mile file, 20 Juliet.
Tower 160, the traffic turning base in sight.
Just 160, follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go, you can resume left close traffic.
Forward traffic, runway 27, touch and go, and then make a left cross traffic on the go, 160.
Riverside Tower, Skylane 182, Victor Bravo. Just departed Corona. We're about 1 mile southeast of the field, climbing through 1,800. Request transition to your airspace, Flaybob.
Skyhawk 182 Victor, correction, Skylane 182 Victor Bravo, Riverside Tower, transition is approved, outer above 2,300, reverse altimeter is 2973.
Transition approved, outer above 2,300, 2973, 2 Victor Bravo.
Number 2 Victor Bravo, traffic climbing to the Paradise VOR off of Riverside is a Cessna, they're climbing out of 2,100.
Looking for the traffic, 2 Victor Bravo.
Cessna 61 Golf traffic, 4 west of the airport is a Cessna. As soon as able, structure your left crosswind turn.
You want me to turn early crosswind, 61 Golf?
That's 61 Golf, affirmative.
Turning crosswind, 61 Golf.
2 Victor Bravo, we have the traffic aside, no factor.
2 Victor Bravo, thank you. Just 44, traffic off your left, a little bit lower, northeast bound, reported you in sight. Free exchange approved.
We have the traffic aside 2, Victor approved, just 4.
行きましょう。
Cessna 20 Juliet traffic departing now is at Duchess. They are in the south pattern, circle north for right down runway 27.
Roger, circle north 27, 20 Juliet.
Cessna 61 Golf, thanks for the early turn. Follow a Cessna on right base, report in
最後
sight.
のちょっとパワー抜くタイミング
No problem, looking for traffic,
今
61
残し
Golf.
て上から向かってあげる感じ、やっぱあそこで引いちゃうと結構低いところから潜って最後ドスン
Duchess 16 Zulu traffic, 2 west of the airport is a company Cessna. They're going to circle north for the opposite downwind.
Roger that, looking for traffic 160 traffic is clear です、
Cessna 20 Juliet, suggest you circle without delay. That traffic is just ahead of you, heading to your right a little bit higher.
Alright, Roger, we're circling north now. We'll look out for that traffic, 20 Juliet.
20 Juliet, no factor now.
フォワードアップポンポン
61 Golf has traffic in sight.
Cessna 61 Golf, follow them, runway 27, clear, touch and go.
Runway 27, clear touch and go, 61 Golf.
Duchess 16 Zulu, follow company Cessna, heading the downwind, report in sight.
We'll go 160
Cessna 20 Juliet, follow the Duchess that's in the opposite downwind. They are approaching south of the tower, just report them in sight before turning base.
Traffic, 20 Juliet.
20 Juliet, follow them, runway 27, clear to land.
Only Duchess, runway 27, clear to land, 20 Juliet.
Riverside traffic. Correction, Riverside Tower, clear track 529. We are 5 miles west, south correction, requesting that 27.
Check 529, Riverside Tower, ident.
Riverside Tower, Dutch is 67160, traffic on a turning final in sight and request the left crossing departure on the go.
Crew check 529, ident desert, left base runway 27, report the auto center.
Left base 27, report the auto center, crew check 529.
Air 2 Victor Bravo, traffic beneath you at 1,800 is assessed on the right pattern. Cancel altitude restriction and fix change approved.
Looking for the traffic, cancel altitude restriction, fix approved, good day, Victor Bravo, thanks for the help.
Cessna 161 Lima, Riverside ground, runway 27, run up, taxi via Gulf Alpha, hold short of Echo.
あ、ごま下げていいですか？いいですよ。はい。
Cessna 5184 Jet, Riverside ground, runway 27, run up, taxi via Echo Alpha.
Riverside Tower, Dutch is 67160, head traffic inside short final and the turning of base number 2 and request the left crossing departure on the go.
Dutch 16 Zulu, roger, runway 27, clear touch and go, left turn out on the go is approved.
Runway 27, clear touch and go, and then left turn on the go is approved. 160, thank you.
Cessna 20 Juliet, turn base, runway 27, clear to land, traffic no factor.
Turning base, runway 27, clear to land, 20 Juliet.
Crew check 529, runway 27, correction, follow a Cessna on a 2-mile right base, report inside.
Checking for traffic, 27, crew check 529.
November 7 Papa Mike, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 7 Papa Mike.
See you. See you.
フルソパと仮定して、はい、じゃあフラップアップでいきましょう。本番はフルストップですけどね。
はい。ワンローテイト。落ちてるギアアップ。
じゃあレフトクロスインデパーチャーで、はい、湖の方向か
Riverside Tower, crew check 529, we got that traffic in sight.
Jet 529, follow them, runway 27, clear to land.
All of them in, runway 27, clear to land, crew check 529.
So 61 Lima, continue taxi.
来てますね。うまいうまい、上手上手。やっぱりパワー調整とか、ピッチ調整、そして
Cessna 61 Golf, follow Cessna left base over the auto center, report inside.
Looking for traffic, 61 Golf.
ぜひぜひ、右の人黙らせに来てください。
はい。
めちゃ一緒うまいです。
大丈夫、クリア。はい。
シンクロしちゃってください。
Traffic inside, 61 Golf.
61 Golf, follow that traffic on left base. Number 3, runway 27, clear touch and go.
Follow the traffic over the auto center, left base, number 3, 27, clear touch and go, 61 Golf.
$100ノットくらいまでちょっと時間かかるんで、85で、特別で。
はい。
で、上がチャーリーやるんで、
はい。
とりあえず一旦2500までで。
2500。はい。
はい。
Riverside Tower, crew check 529, we clear to land on runway 27.
Crew check 529, affirmative, runway 27, clear to land.
27, clear to land, crew check 529.
ポンプ。
Cessna 20 Juliet, welcome back, taxi to parking via Golf.
Parking via Golf, 20 Juliet.
.湖の方向かってください。はい。クリア。クリア。 OK でクラッシュチャーリークリアです。はい。チャーリー5000お願いします。えげつない上昇率。
やばい。テスラじゃ無理ですね。
パワーオンストールの時の最大値ぐらいで。多分5000フィートで基本マニューバーしてもらうんですけど、まあ、本番はもう全部5000でやってもらって構わないです。もうマニューバーは。
わかりました。
で、やっぱりちょっと時間かかるのもそうですし、で特にスティープターンなんかだと、なんかあんまりパワー入れてもスピード上がってこないんですよね。だからなんか逆に RPM 回転数を100ぐらいちょっと上げるイメージの方がうまくこう空気をつかめて、まあ、登れっていうかその高度保てるかな。で、速度もだいたい100から110の間を保てる。
84 Jet, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
Service advise you have information.
そういうのもちょっと今日練習してみて、だいたい5000だと2300回転ぴったりじゃ多分あんまり速度が出づらいかな。比嘉さんとか言ってたのもやっぱりそうですね、だからちょっと気持ち回転数多めの方が良かったですって言ってたんで。
Like massive traffic, Dutcher 67160 Notable Lake 4000 climbing 5000 southbound.
トラフィックがもうガラッガラです。はい。
Matthews traffic Cherokee, Cessna 944 Charlie Bravo over the south squares. We're at 4,500. We're looking for the traffic coming over the north side right now.
左旋回しましょうか。ヘディング120。
Matthews traffic, Dutcher 67160 4005 and climbing 5000, turning eastbound, heading 120 and looking for the Port Charlie Bravo.
OK、じゃあ、そうですね、タイヤ詰めに終わったりしますので。
should be up to here, but alright.
一応クイックに、スローフライトだけお願いしていいですか。はい。それをやっとこうかなと思って。高度がプラマイ100、速度がプラマイ10。で、スチームゲージの方で70マットロックです。はい、70。
Like Matthews traffic, Cessna 944 Charlie Bravo, simulating emergency over the south squares. We're descending out of 4,700. We'll be going down